Hi everyone, it's your Korean teacher, Haley. Welcome back to class. Before we start, let me ask you a few questions. Have you ever tried bibimbap? Have you ever been to Jeju Island? Have you ever met a Korean celebrity? In English, we often use have tried or have been to for everything. In Korean, we have two main ways to talk about these moments. One is for casual attempt or recent try, and the other is for a life experience or record. Korean distinguish between trying something and having an experience. This distinction is key to sounding like a native when sharing your stories. So today we're learning how to talk about these two types of experiences. Today's topic is expressing trying experience in Korean. By the end of today's lesson, you'll be able to say what you have tried doing. Say what you haven't tried yet. Say what experiences you have in your life. Say what you have never done before. Understand exactly which nuance to use in conversation. Let's go! Part C. Verb 본 적이 있어요. Have had the experience of. So this pattern emphasizes a milestone or a significant record in your life history, while 봤어요 is a general tried. This pattern especially says the experience of having done verb exists in my life record. So here's the rule. First, if the stem has or 오, you're going to put 본 적이 있어요. For example, to go, 가다. And you can see 가, it has a vowel. So you're going to put 본 적이 있어요. But here, they merge. So the final one, have been to, 가본 적이 있어요. Another one to write, 타다. And you can see the word stem is 타. It has a vowel. So you're going to put 본 적이 있어요. So 본 적이 있어요. But here you have to be careful because 타 and they merge. So the final word in 본 적이 있어요. Have written. And the next one, to meet. 만나다. And you can see also it ends with 나. It has a vowel. So you're going to put 본 적이 있어요. But here also 나 and they merge. So the final one is 만나본 적이 있어요. Have met. And second one, if the stem has the other vowels, for example, 먹다, like it has O vowel, you're going to put 본 적이 있어요. For example, to eat, 먹다. And you can see the word stem, it has O vowel. It's not 우아 vowel. So we're going to put 본 적이 있어요. So have eaten, 먹어본 적이 있어요. To wear, 입다. Also 입, it's not 우아 vowel. So we're going to put 본 적이 있어요. Have worn, 입어본 적이 있어요. To learn, 배우다. Also it has 우. So it's not 우아 vowel. So we're going to put 본 적이 있어요. But here you have to be careful. 배우어. And here 우 and they combined. So it made 워. So the final have learned is 배워본 적이 있어요. To read, 읽다. Here you can see 이 vowel. It's not 우아 vowel. So it has to be have read is 읽어본 적이 있어요. And for 하다 verbs, you are going to change to 해본 적이 있어요. For example, to travel, 여행하다. It's 하다 verbs. You're going to put 해본 적이 있어요. So have traveled, 여행해 본 적이 있어요. To cook, 요리하다. And it's going to be 요리해 본 적이 있어요. Have cooked. To exercise, 운동하다. And have exercised is 운동해 본 적이 있어요. To work a part-time job, 아르바이트 하다. And have had a part-time job is 아르바이트 해본 적이 있어요. And let's go to sentence examples. I've been to Jeju Island before. 제주도에 가본 적이 있어요. Let's check vocabulary. 제주도, it's Jeju Island. It's to, it's location particle. 가다, to go. And you can see the grammar here. 가다, so word stem 가. And you can see it as a vowel, so we're going to put 아본. So it becomes 가본. And you're going to put 적이 있어요. So 제주도에 가본 적이 있어요 means I have visited Jeju Island before. And next one, I have had the experience of eating 불고기. 불고기를 먹어본 적이 있어요. Let's check vocabulary first. 불고기, it's 불고기 Korean food. 를, object marker. 먹다, to eat. And here the grammar is 먹, word stem. And you're going to put 본 적이 있어요. So the final one is 불고기를 먹어본 적이 있어요. I have eaten 불고기 before. Next one, I have learned taekwondo before. 태권도를 배워본 적이 있어요. Taekwondo, it's 태권도. 를, object marker. 배우다, to learn. And you can see 배우, and you are going to put 본 적이 있어요. And 우 and they combine. So 배워본 적이 있어요. So the final, 태권도를 배워본 적이 있어요. I have studied taekwondo before. I have had the experience of meeting a celebrity. 연예인을 만나본 적이 있어요. 연예인, it means celebrity. 을 is object marker. 만나다, to meet. And let's change it. 만나다, it becomes 만나본 적이 있어요. Right. So the final, 연예인을 만나본 적이 있어요 means I have met a celebrity before. I have the experience of riding a horse. 말을 타본 적이 있어요. Let's check vocabulary. 말, it's horse. 을 is object marker. 타다, to ride. And here you can check grammar. 타, and it has a vowel. So we're going to put 본 적이 있어요. And 타 and they merge. So final, 타본 적이 있어요. So the final, 말을 타본 적이 있어요. I have ridden a horse before. I have had the experience of making kimchi. 김치를 만들어 본 적이 있어요. Let's check vocabulary. 김치 is kimchi. 를, object marker. 만들다, to make. And let's change the verb together. 만들, and we're going to put 본 적이 있어요. Right. So the final one is 김치를 만들어 본 적이 있어요. Means I have made kimchi before. I have tried wearing a hanbok before. 한복을 입어본 적이 있어요. Let's check vocabulary. 한복, it's 한복, Korean traditional clothes. 을, object marker. 입다, to wear. And let's change the verb. 입다, word stem is 입. And it's not a vowel, so we're going to put 본 적이 있어요. 입어본 적이 있어요. So the final, 한복을 입어본 적이 있어요. I have worn a hanbok before. I have had the experience of doing yoga. 요가를 해본 적이 있어요. Vocabulary here, yoga, it's yoga. 를, object marker, 하다, to do. And let's change it. 하다 verb always change to 해본 적이 있어요. So the final one is 요가를 해본 적이 있어요. Means I have done yoga before. And now let's do the quiz together. Choose the correct expression. I have had the experience of traveling abroad. 외국 여행을 Number 1. 가고 있어요. Number 2. 가본 적이 있어요. The answer is Correct is number 2. 가본 적이 있어요. 본 적이 있어요 emphasizes a past experience as a significant record or milestone in your life history. What does this sentence mean? 유명한 사람을 만나본 적이 있어요. Number 1, I've met a famous person before. Number 2, I'm meeting a famous person now. The answer is correct is number 1. 본 적이 있어요 specifically emphasize that the experience of doing something exists in your past record. So the answer is number 1. Amazing job today! You've officially mastered how to share your stories and adventures in Korean. Today we learned exactly how to distinguish between a simple try and a life milestone. Using these patterns correctly will make your Korean sounds incredibly natural and storytelling rich. Don't worry about making mistakes, even try is a new experience. Keep practicing, stay positive, and I'll see you soon. Bye everyone! 안녕!